Attention! Critical Bitcoin forecast from 4 experts. These levels are inevitable. Leading experts are reiterating their warnings about the price of Bitcoin even though the cryptocurrency market is moving with a great deal of uncertainty. Worse than winter, the current situation. Bitcoin, which peaked at $69,000 last year, was almost certain to reach $100,000. The nightmare that began with the Fed has continued, though, with the failure of important exchanges, businesses, and projects. Since the start of the year, Bitcoin's value has decreased by 60%. Many analysts believe that the current crypto winter may last longer than initially anticipated. Investors moved to safer assets as a result of the market's domino effect brought on by the collapse of the FTX stock market. Over $10 billion was lost by investors as they sold their long positions in the week that followed the company's bankruptcy filing. The analytics company Glassnode ranked this as the 4th worst cryptocurrency crisis in history. The current state of affairs, in Linda Obi's opinion, is worse than the crypto winter, according to the CEO of blockchain company Zenith Chain. Although the bear cycle is referred to as a regular process, bankruptcy and chaos have largely shaped the environment in which Bitcoin is currently operating. Without the required regulation, the manager claims that it might take a while to regain investor confidence. These levels aren't surprising. The expert also thinks that trainings and seminars should be held to inform investors and highlight risk factors. Individual investors are severely impacted in this process as well as institutional investors leaving the market. According to Bitfinex analysts, a sizable proportion of individual investors are on the verge of quitting the cryptocurrency market entirely. Additionally, according to Standard Chartered, Bitcoin will fall below $5,000 in 2019. From its current price of just over $1,700, it will consequently decrease by a further 70%. Concern was raised by Eric Robertson's remarks, the bank's head of international research. AJ Bell analyst Laith Khalaf concurs with the forecast made by Standard Chartered. In 2023, according to the expert, the price of Bitcoin will fall to $6,000. With the U.S. Federal Reserve's tighter monetary policy, veteran investor Mark Mobius predicted that the price of Bitcoin would fall to $10,000. Some pessimists, including venture capitalist Tim Draper, believe that our downfall is imminent. By the end of 2023, the specialist believes that $250,000 will be feasible, as reported by CNBC. The regulatory process, according to investor and analyst Myron Jobson, will have a negative impact on the price of Bitcoin.